it's your boy. Long time no see. It's time for us to make a PC. As you can see, I'm standing. This is a different type of video.
What is that?
What you looking at my neck hairs for, bro? What you want to script this? But before we can upgrade the old PC, we gotta do something first. And by that I mean, we have to destroy it first. yeah. Guys, come on. I just mean we're going to remove the old stuff. Come on, guys. So we can add the new things. Come on. Stop. Look. I already took out the motherboard. So before we can add in our new components, I'm gonna show you guys the old components that were in the case. So I think I got this board in like 2018. It's a ASUS ROG Strix B360G gaming motherboard. Okay, so now how this video is going to work is I'm going to be removing the SSDs off of the old motherboard. We are going to then be looking at all the new parts and we'll just get into the build, shall we? Let's go, come on! Come on, let's go! Okay, so now that you know all the parts that are going to be in this PC, we're just gonna get into the installation. Probably won't be talking as much, but hey, enjoy the camera work and some of the side jokes. I mean, I'm probably gonna make some.
So this is the SATA cable over here. They gave us a SATA cable. Do you like it? Put it to the side. Okay, yeah. Look at that. Oh my goodness. What do we got over here? Let's take a look. Is it gonna be treasured? Ooh, it's an IO shield. Look at it. It's beautiful. Yeah, basic bit. Anyway, we got some M.2 standoffs. Oh, put that to the side. Oh, what is this? We got another one? Damn, they so generous. Bro, what the hell is this? Some stickers? Man, that's a black sticker. What am I? Ooh, the manual. Nah, put that to the side. We don't use that. I'm smart. Big smart. What's this? Papers? Not important. Anyway, let me just slide this off real quick. Yeah. Love that. Before we start like building it, I need you to read this. What this say? What this say? In search of incredible. That's right. I mean, like, if you're not searching for incredible, what you searching for? Doodle. Anyway, so the board we're using today is the ASUS Prime B760 Plus D4. But before we can do all that, we gotta take off what's on this board. The SSDs. Oh my goodness, so dramatic. We can install the CPU now. Oh, just unlatch that. Yeah. Oh, it's strong. It's strong. I don't want to break it now. Oh, you feel that? Okay. Now let's just lift it off slowly. It's expensive, though. Oh. You see? Look at that big boy. Yo, it's a bit bigger since the last time I saw it. That's what she said. Shut up. Anyway, let me show you what's gonna be sitting on this socket right here. Boom. Yeah. The i7-13700KF. Let's open it up. That's the wrong way, idiot! Oh, my bad. So if you're building your PC for the first time, this is how you handle your CPU. Watch, like this. You hold it on the sides, never at the back. Don't get your skin oils on the gold contacts, bruh. If your motherboard has pins on it, make sure not to bend those pins either when you're installing the CPU. If you do, you might get images that look like this. That's actually the best case scenario, because if you bend a pin on your CPU or your motherboard, man, that shit's not turning on, bro. It's dead. Anyway, you want to get it seated real nice. Make sure the arrows align. Once you got that down pat, make sure it's snug as a rug in a bug. Why would a rug be in a bug? I don't think that's how it. Anyway, don't worry about the hood. The hood will come off. You want to be delicate with this part. Strong, but not rough. Alright, we did it. Next thing we're gonna be installing is the RAM. I got HyperX Fury DDR4 16GB times 4. That's 64. But before we can install the RAM, we have to open up all of these RAM channels over here, else we're gonna have a problem.
Now all that's missing before we take this into the case is the cooler, and I got just the solution. Oh yeah. Oh, it's upside down. Oh my gosh. We're gonna be taking this and putting it on that. Actually got everything that we need to have installed on the motherboard installed, except for this bad boy over here. So the fans that were on here, I kind of took them off and put my own fans that I have. These are RGB, I think, Cougar fans. I still haven't taken off the plastic covering over here because it got pre-applied thermal paste. Yeah, pre-applied. So the camera work on this part is probably going to be atrocious, but fam, I already installed the stands. I'm going to now just find an orientation, you know, I'm trying to have it bend like these so that it's kind of like I don't know, aesthetic, bro. I feel like it's more aesthetic this way, don't you feel?
Jesus Christ.
I shouldn't be all up in the camera. That's the most chaotic PC build. Now we got it all installed and stuff. We don't need this plastic case anymore. Throw it away. And if I want this to actually like turn a different way, I can just, and then I can just have it face upwards. Ain't this cool, bro? And if I don't want it that way, I can just make it boom. But it's now time to put it in the case. Hey, say hi to yourselves. Hi. Wait, can you see yourselves? Yeah, that's you. So now actually we're gonna just go ahead and open this up. So this is a Fantix case. I guess you can call it fancy.
Oh my god.
Especially because that's where our fans be. Okay, so I've actually turned the case on its side because we're gonna be seating the motherboard in here. Got the IO shield. Nice, nice, nice. This part, I'm just gonna push it through. You just gotta hear like a pop. Now I'm just gonna line it up with the standoffs. I'm sorry if you can't see what I'm doing. There we go. Everything is sitting on the standoffs. Everything's aligned with the IO shield. Nice. I'm not sure if this is correct, but yeah, close enough. Okay, so the next step is for me to put this radiator, this one over here, up here, so it makes a nice little aesthetic curve. You feel me? Ooh. First, I'm gonna screw down the stuff. Hey guys, look, I'm inside the beat. Okay, so I turned the PC upright. Now we're going to be installing the radiator. I already installed the fan, so we can kind of speed this up. But we have to route all these wires to the back of it, bro. Look at this spaghetti.
When I say I took unnecessary amounts of time on this, I did, bro. Not only did I route each individual cable to the back of the case while simultaneously forgetting to plug them in just to mount the radiator to the case, just so I have to take the whole thing off because I remembered, oh, I need to plug in the cable.
Oh, did I mention that the power supply is already connected? Okay, so we are back. Everything in the PC is actually connected. So yeah, the only thing that's missing, right, is the GPU. And that's what we got right here. Look. Oh yeah. So for the graphics card, we got the EVGA GeForce RTX 3070 for the Win edition. We're just gonna go ahead and install the GPU. Bro, it's just bulging and stuff. I don't know if I'm ready, y'all. Oh my words. I hope this works. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on at the back. Did I turn it on? Oh, I accidentally pressed the button. Whoa, wait, I didn't mean to do it that time. Oh my word, everything's on, yo. The fans are spinning. Look at that. Oh, snap. Oh, it turned off. Oh, it turned back on, okay. Oh, yes, let's go.
5 minutes later, Ryoshii would find out the SSD has died, along with all his previously recorded content. If that was not bad enough, it was the C drive, meaning Ryoshii had to basically start afresh with a fresh Windows install. But anyway, here's some B-roll.